Ananda alert for 14-year-old Rashida Scott of Linstead St. Catherine. Saint Anne woman charged with lottery scamming following airport seizure. Family concern as man disappears after allegedly beaten by security forces. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 14-year-old Rashida Scott of Orangefield District, Linstead St. Catherine, has been missing since Tuesday, August 8. Rashida is of brown complexion and slim build. Rashida was last seen at home. She was dressed in a red and white sweater, floral pants, and a pair of black slippers. If you have any information that can help the police to find Rashida, contact the Spanish Town Police at 876-984-2305 or contact the CPFSA at 211. A woman allegedly held with a package containing American bank cards hidden inside her shoes at the Sanctuary International Airport in St. James on Monday has been charged with lottery scamming. Charged with possession of identity information and possession of access device is 24-year-old Selena Anderson of Camelot Village, Discovery Bay, St. Anne. The disappearance of a St. Andrew man who, along with his brother, was allegedly beaten inside their home by the security forces during a pre-dawn operation in May has left family on the edge. The Hunts Bay Police confirmed that a missing person report was made for 48-year-old Wayne Natty King McBean of Fitzgerald Avenue by relatives on May 16. The mentally challenged man is yet to be located.